Guys, today we're doing waffles, pancakes. Maywood Pancake House. You guys, it's like IHOP or Cracker Barrel on an upscale level because it's personal and it's vegan. Yes, very vegan, but not so vegan because it just tastes just like not vegan, but vegan, you know? I'm ready. Yeah. No? Okay. Did you tell me that you were vegan before? I couldn't remember. Or you were vegetarian or something? Vegetarian? Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Okay, so I always get the waffles. I'm gonna get the French toast American, vegan. Yeah, everything vegan. Yep. Wait, so what's the difference between this one and that one?
This one has the cream cheese, vegan, and then the strawberries. This is plain.
Just plain? Okay. And then I wanted to get the tofu scrambles. I don't know. I think I always get the vegan pot pie. Sure. But or the other one was it? No, it was the vegan Roman, I think. Or maybe, I don't know. The vegan pot pie. Yeah, and then I'll just add the vegan cheese. And then if I could get almond milk with coffee, fresh orange juice. Sure. So what else is good here, though? Like vegan wise? That's what I always get.
Santa Fe.
Oh, yeah. What is that? How does that come?
So it's kind of like the scramble, but it comes in a quesadilla.
Maybe I should get that instead then.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, let me get that. Does it come with like cheese and also avocado? Yeah. Yeah, so let me try that.
Inside, yeah.
Oh, okay. Oh, it's an actual like a quesadilla? Oh, okay. Let me get that then.
Instead of the pot pie, right?
Yeah. Sure. All right, we do the vegan pancakes. Okay. So what do you usually do? Blueberries or what the topping?
I like bananas in it.
Bananas? Okay, I'll do bananas then. Since you like bananas. Instead of coffee, can you do any of these drinks? Like cafe latte and stuff with almond?
Yeah.
Let me get soy.
Okay.
Yeah, what's good? Whatever you
like
think.
Sweet?
I like everything actually.
Okay.
So
probably the caramel, I would say.
okay, I'll get that then.
Sure. You got it. And
thanks.
You got it.
Oh my god, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh. I had no idea you could make this vegan. I always had coffee.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Thank you. I don't know if I should drink this or this. Look at this. They drizzle the caramel on top of the foam. Woo. Oh my gosh. I love caramel. The weather is perfect for this. Woo. Oh my gosh, guys, it's so good. It's like not so sweet and not too bitter. It's like the perfect, the bliss point. You guys ever watch K-dramas? Like the girls, like, you know, they go on a date with a guy or something. They drink latte like this. I tried, okay, I can't do it because it's too hot. Wait, let me make it till you make it. Never mind. Guys, you know how like some places you go and you order like fresh like squeezed OJ and they like dilute it with water? Nah, it's not happening here. It's like pure. My kids love this juice. I wonder if they put a little bit of sugar in here. It's so sweet. I don't know, but it's good. Mm. Oh, thank you.
You're welcome. Everything's vegan this hour.
Yeah. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh my gosh, this looks crazy. This is like good stress. What am I gonna eat first? Oh my gosh, okay. Let me show you my favorite. My favorite by far is the waffles. Like, you can't go wrong with the waffle. So, but yeah, you kind of want to eat the waffle, I guess, when it's hot. So let me eat the waffle first. It is very crispy outside, like so crispy, but inside it's like nice and spongy, okay? They give you vegan butter here, right? This is the way I eat it actually. I don't know, maybe it's like the wrong way to eat it or something, but lots of butter. I was taking thumbnails and everything, so it kind of like, whatever. And then you drizzle the syrup. like so. Oh my gosh, guys. Vegan waffles. It has pockets of syrup. Oh. Woo. Oh my god, waffles and coffee latte. Guys, you know how sometimes you like go to bakery and order something and you're like, okay, that's vegan. This, no, you can't tell. If you feed a non-vegan waffle, they'll be like, this is a good waffle. Little bit of butter. Ooh. Guys, look at this banana. I think they put a whole banana in this pancake. Basically, you get 4 pancakes when you order to get whatever filling that you want, but I got banana today. Guys, I mean, what is pancake without syrup? They caramelized the banana. Do you see this? So it has that little bit of caramel banana flavor, like almost like eating a banana bread. Okay guys, let's move on to this quesadilla, okay? I've been waiting, so I hope the cheese is not hard. Usually the cheese is nice and like stretchy melted here. This quesadilla, guys, has sausages, onions, bell peppers, tofu, and cheese and avocado. You put a little bit of sour cream onto the top. And the sour cream, it's vegan, but it's like not vegan. And then you put a little bit of salsa. Oh my gosh, look at this. Look at this cheese right here. Oh, look at this cheese. To use a fork. I think it's perfect for dinner too. It's a hearty meal. I asked for Cholula. I totally forgot to put it. Guys, Pepe's favorite. It used to be my favorite because I came here for this. This is what I came for. And then I discovered the waffle. Now I discover pancakes. If I come here with my parents, my dad especially, he would always get the hearty, vegan tofu scrambles, right? You can't find it anywhere. This has cream cheese, but they make the cream cheese here, okay? Look at this, guys. Oh, look at this cream cheese. And this cream cheese, literally, guys, it's vegan, but it doesn't taste like cream cheese. It tastes like very fluffy, not so sweet icing for cupcakes, but has a little bit of cream cheese flavor to it. And they make this French toast, they put it inside, and they top it with strawberries. Obviously, you put syrup on top. See? Like so. You add on some strawberries, drizzle some syrup on it. Oh my gosh, guys. Like seriously, this is vegan. Syrup is all flying around. Look at this. Ready, guys. Woohoo! I almost lost it. Where am I? What am I doing? When you bite into this, guys, right? The sponginess of French toast with a little bit salty cream cheese. So because everything else is soft, like the cream cheese and the bread is so soft, and the strawberry has that seed and it kind of like bursts in your mouth. So it's almost like firecracker or some sort going on in your mouth. Creamy firecracker, that's what I call it. Yeah, thank you. One thing about Maywood Pancake House, through my experience, right? They make their dish very vegan, yet very non-vegan people friendly. Meaning, they don't taste like vegan. They taste very just normal food. You know how some vegan restaurants, it's like, it could be a little too vegan, you know? My kids love it here. You never say like, I'd rather get the regular pancake. I don't want the vegan pancake, you know? No, not here.
So what do you do?
Oh, I'm a vegan food vlogger. So
Okay.
they have good vegan option here.
Oh, they do.
Yeah, do you ever order vegan
Yes,
stuff?
I do.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. She's like 12 years old.
Ah, really? That's so sweet. I should wear my mask. I haven't had a hug from anybody.
Well, we'll do another one.
Oh my goodness, thank you. Stay safe. Oh my
You too,
goodness.
dear.
Oh, thank you.
Good luck.
All right. Guys, that was so nice, wasn't it? It felt so weird like getting a hug from at this time. There's always pros and cons to everything you do in life, you know?